In this video, I want to talk about how you can cancel your Shopify plan. Now, this is really easy, guys. All you have to do is go into your store. So go to your admin dashboard. Once you're inside of here, you just want to click on the settings button. Inside of the settings, you want to come here and go to plan. Inside of the plan, you should now be able to see which plan you're currently on, and you can cancel the trial from in here if you're on the trial, or you can cancel your membership if you're on the membership. If you head into billing, you should also be able to see what payment method you have, and you can remove your payment method if you just want to be 100% sure that it's not gonna charge. But once it's canceled in here, you should no longer charge you, and that is how it's done, guys. Now, I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.